Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2020 Grady-White 306 Canyon in Grady's newest color, Ocean Mist Blue. They call this boat the Beast. They call this boat the Beast for a lot of reasons. Two of them being, with twin 300 Yamahas, it's a 50-mile-an-hour boat. Also, the beam is 10 foot 7 inches, really wide boat. It gives it the deck space of most brands' 32 and 33 footers. The speed and economy of the twin 300 Yamahas on this boat get you out to your fishing spot fast, get you home fast, more time fishing and less time running. The deck space, the 10 foot 7 beam, there's tons of room for your friends and family to fish and have fun. There's a freshwater sink and bait station here, great for rinsing your hands off when your bait hooks. Makes fishing convenient, easy. Large live well to keep more bait alive longer. And back here, a huge above deck fish box, more comfortable and more convenient to bring your catch home. Huge flat space to mount electronics. Put the electronics of your choice. Room for two 16-inch screens and all the other equipment, and you can put it where it's most convenient and not just where it'll fit. It makes for a much easier to operate boat. The boat has lots of comfortable seating in the bow. There's an optional filler and cushion here, makes a great place for the kids to ride, and convertible backrest gives you a comfortable place to stand and fish, and great lounge seats. Todd Hudgel at MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Come down and check out this 2020 Grady-White 306 Canyon for yourself and see why they call it the Beast.